You lead the way!
Wait for me, Dr. Freeman. I'll come with you.
Loss detected.
You're Barney's old friend, aren't you? Maybe you can help him. Snipers trapped him up on that warehouse roof. He was going for a cache of grenades, but I doubt he can get to them now. Go on, Dr. Freeman.
Is somebody up there? Help me! Help me! We thought we'd be safer down here. Little we know the place is infested. The rest of them headed upstairs. They took the chance with the snipers. I guess they're still up there.
Cover me while I reload. Cover me while I reload.
Over here! Gordon, I can't move. These snipers got me pinned down. Gordon, mom, a couple of grenades. That'll clear them out. Gordon, take out these snipers, would you? That's one down, one to go, buddy.
Blood loss detected.
Now let's clear out of here. You're quite the returning hero these days, Gordon. Let me get this gate. My civil protection status still gives me limited clearance. Did you hear a cat just now? That damn thing haunts me. Get down! Watch the head out, Gordon!
Warning. Blood toxin levels detected. Emergency. User dead. Imminent vital signs are dropping.
I'd like to take a moment to address the museum or something like that. Whatever the hell it used to be, now it's a nexus for Overwatch in City 17. It's the main source of pain for the Florida Central next to a huge security device. It's raining down hell from the roof of that place. There it is, the Overwatch nexus. Looks like they're mobilizing big time. You can sort of see the gate from here. I'll show you when we get to street level. We'll have to get in that building to open the gate. Even then, the suppression device will, suppress anyone coming through unless we shut it down. Then let's go!
Here, patch yourself up.
So much for stealth. You've been spotted! There's that gate I was telling you about. We'll have to come back here after we get it open. If we get it open. First, we gotta get into the Nexus building. I'd like to take Yes, I'm talking. You're not gonna hurt that thing from down here, Gordon. We'll have to shut it down from inside.
Take the step.
The truth.
Let me get up.
Make no mistake, Doctor. The scientific revolution you've sparked. This is death and finality.
Get down!
I'm hurt, Combine!
Even if you offered your surrender now,
Here,
I
take
believe
this
that our
med kit.
benefactors would accept it.
Take this med kit.
The moment I feel they have the even me with so much humanity's represented. Help me while you still can. Nothing serve mankind. I'd like to take a moment to address you directly, Dr. Freeman. Yes, I'm talking to you, the so-called one free man. I have a question for you. How could you have thrown it all away? It staggers the mind. A man toward the truth, choosing instead to embark on a path of ignorance and decay. Make no mistake, Dr. Freeman. This is not a scientific revolution.
Look out!
This is death and finality. You have plunged.
Warning.
Your surrender.
Get away from there!
Critical.
Get out of the way!
On even me with suspicion. Help me win back their trust, Dr. Surrender. Help ensure that humanity's trust in you is not misguided. Do what is right, Dr. Freeman. Serve mankind.
Look out! Get down!
I'd like to take a moment to address. Yes.
Get out of the way!
So-called one free man. I have a question for you. Yes, I'm talking to you. So-called one free man. I have a question for you. How could you have thrown it all away? It staggers the mind.
Get down!
And finality, you have plunged humanity. Now I
Get out of the way!
for serving as humanity's ensure that humanity's trust in you is not misguided. Serve mankind.
Get away from there! You're not gonna hurt that thing from down here, Gordon. We'll have to shut it down from inside.
I'd like to take a moment to address you directly, Dr. Freeman. Yes, I'm talking to you.
Get away from there!
Fearful minds toward the truth. Choosing instead to follow a path of ignorance and decay. Make no mistake. This is not a scientific revolution.
Get out of the way!
Humanity and that our benefactors would accept. I fear they have begun to look upon even me with suspicion.
Get down! Let's do it. God damn. Come on. Here.
Let us out of here!
Let them out, Gordon. We could use their help.
Wait for me!
The so-called...
Wait for me, Dr. Freeman. I'll come with you.
A man of science with the ability to sway reactionary and fearful minds toward the truth. Plunged humanity into free fall. Even if you offered your surrender now, I cannot guarantee
Nice.
that our benefactors would accept it. At the moment, I fear they have begun to look upon even me with suspicion. So much for serving as humanity's representative. Help me win back their trust, Dr. Freeman. Surrender while you still can. But ensure that humanity's trust in you is not
Uh-oh, turrets. Hey, you've got the HEV suit. You deal with them. Then I'll work the security console. Roll a grenade in there if you got one. That ought to do it. Great. I'll open this up.
Sorry.
Uh-oh, dropships. They'll be coming from the roof. If we want to get through these shields, we'll have to take out the generators one at a time.
Patch yourself up! Sorry, Freeman. Sorry, Doc.
Now, Gordon. Let's head for the roof now, Gordon. Come on, Gordon! Hurry up! To the roof, Gordon! Follow me! Hurry up! Follow me! Let's head for the roof now, Gordon. Follow me.
Cover me while I reload.
Turrets. Hey, you've got the HEV suit. You deal with them. Then I'll work the security console. Great. I'll open this up. Uh-oh. Drop ships. They'll be coming from the roof. If we want to get through these shields, we'll have to take out the generators one at a time. 3 generators to disable. Might as well start with this one. And we've got Eli's gravity gun. Try giving those generators a jolt and see if you can shake them up a bit. Okay, 2 more generators to go. Man, Overwatch owns the roof, and that's where we're headed. With that much security, there must be something good in there. Go for it, Doc. You're only here to shut it down.
Take this med.
Sorry, Doc.
I'm sticking here. You got it, Doc.
Let's go! Come on, everybody. Good idea, Dr. Freeman.
That's where we're headed. There must be something good in there. Go for it, Doc. Shut it down. Be careful. One generator to go. We're surrounded. Cover me, Gordon. Try using the hoppers against them. Set some traps for them, Gordon. That's it. They're all down. On the roof as well. Let's hit. Open fire. Get down! Let's head for the roof. Follow me. There's our gate. Let me just get it open. Done. I'm gonna stay here and keep
Dr.
these
Freeman,
gates
wait.
open long enough to
We'll
make
come
a
with you.
difference. Go on up and connect the sky bridge. We need to let reinforcements come through from every possible direction. If any more citizens come through, I'll send them up to find you. See you when I see you, Gordon.